100 rounds coming in, they leaking out the chopper. 7.62 ejected out the cockpit. All my guns got extensions, boy, you cannot stop it. We don't do drive-bys, we hop out where you grind. I look in my new Audemars, yeah, you out of time. Should've thought about it before you made an action. Stretched out, face down, dead on the pavement. Yellow tape around the scene, homicide investigation. This should be a lesson, I give it how I get it. If I see something that I want, I'm gonna take it. I'm sorry, I'm a monster and you know I'm kinda crazy. I'm a shooter with a shooter, tactical advancement. Listen, I keep it small, only one be around me. 10 toes down, he solid and he bout it. Thrasher on his back and you know he stays swaggin'. Ruthless motherfucker, he'll eat you up for breakfast. Little Benzo baby, that's my brother to the death end. I'll erase your whole bloodline, yeah, there's no second guessing. Toe tag, body bag, fully out of weapons. Detrimental conversations lead to open cases. Which who keep a sharp observation. Dealing with depression, I just cannot take it. Trying to do my feelings, learning how to compress them. Don't do well with rejection, cannot stand my reflection. Asking God every day, and it's just not getting better. Evil smart with deception, using love as a weapon. They took my heart from my body and left me vacant expressions. No remorse, I'm contemplating the ending. Suicidal way of thinking, with all this pain I'm retaining. Anxiety increases due to past situation. Antisocial how I'm living, keep my head on a swivel. The pain, let the drugs take control of my body. Can't sleep at night, so I contemplate. Am I great? Well, I was once upon a time ago. Am I late or is it fake? It might be destiny without you right here next to me. The side effects on me and my kids have grown apart. The distance between us, I feel like I'm fading. Heart on ice, no love inside. With these vacant expressions on my face, I feel alone. There's nothing that compares to having a family at home. Now when I call, bitch, you don't even pick up the phone. The kids don't even know, but I ask God for help. Help me understand, put your hand on my shoulder. Take me to the promised land, let me eat with my people. Help me deal with this evil, I'm making the sequel. Part 2, we are not equal. Transportation to any destination. Sniper, I'm a ghost, bitch, and you know I'm from the basement, huh?